Why do I include the FBI in any immigration delay lawsuit? That's the question I'm going to explore today. If you don't know me, my name is Josh Goldstein. I'm an immigration lawyer in Los Angeles, and I help people and families across the country and around the world get their visas out of administrative processing. I do it by suing consulates. I sue them in federal court. I file writ of mandamus lawsuits to help people just like you, people whose visas are stuck in administrative processing. But the question has come up. The question is, why do I include the FBI as a defendant in these lawsuits? The FBI, why would I do that? The FBI, they're not processing visas, are they? Well, I'll tell you why. The nature of administrative processing 221G visa delays is unknown. Nobody knows why their visas are stuck in administrative processing. Could be a background check, could be some substantive issue regarding the case. Sometimes the consulate will ask for wedding photos, and you provide the wedding photos, and then your case is stuck in administrative processing for years. Who knows what, if anything, the consulate is actually checking when a visa is put into administrative processing. But the reason I include the FBI is that maybe what the consulate is doing is they are doing some sort of a background check, and maybe the background check is performed by the FBI. Do I know that there's a background check delay going on? No, I don't. Am I sure that the FBI is the one performing the background check? No, I don't know this. But my goal when I file the lawsuit is to include all potentially responsible parties. And what I'm trying to do is avoid having the consulate or the State Department say, hey, there's a background check going on here, but it's not our problem because we don't do the background checks. That's done by another agency. That's done by the FBI. And I don't want USCIS to say, well, we don't have any responsibility for this background check. It's done by the FBI. I don't want the agencies to shirk their responsibility by pointing to some other agency. So when I file a writ of mandamus lawsuit, I sue USCIS, I sue the consulate, I sue the State Department, I sue the Department of Homeland Security, I sue the Department of Justice, I sue the FBI, and I include every potentially possibly responsible defendant in the lawsuit. I want to cover all my bases. I don't want any agency to avoid responsibility by pointing to some other agency that we have not included. That's the technique that I use. I have no idea if the FBI is actually involved in any of these lawsuits, but that's the way that I do it in every case. It works very effectively. If your visa is stuck in administrative processing and you have questions, please get in touch with me. Message me. I would love to help you. I'd love to answer your questions. You don't have to go at this alone. That's all I have to say on this topic. Thank you. Be safe, be well, and we'll see you in the next video.